Namaste, Suprabhat, good morning. Wishing health and happiness to all of you from the core of my heart. Om Namah Shivaya. Last week, we started our discussion on 7 steps to build a strong immune system via the path of yoga. And the first step was to wake up early in the morning between 4 to 5 a.m. at least once in a week to start with, preferably on Sundays. And the second step is that after we have woken up in the morning early, do yoga abhyas for at least 30 minutes. It can be more than that, but for at least 30 minutes. I've spoken to a lot of people, and after analyzing all their answers, I have arrived at a conclusion that on an average, a person is not able to spend more than 30 minutes for yoga abhyas in a day. 30 minutes on an average. Today we all are living in the age of knowledge. We all have access to so much of information, both online and offline. We all are aware of so many asanas, pranayams, shatkriyas, relaxation techniques. But then comes the all-important question. Which all asanas, which all pranayams we should be doing to get the maximum benefit out of 30 minutes? Limited time of 30 minutes. If we have got only 30 minutes, you can note down what we can do is we can practice Om chanting, Udgit for 2 to 3 minutes, Kapalbhati, a very effective cleansing act for 3 to 4 minutes, Anulom Vilom, an extremely effective pranayam for 5 to 6 minutes, some deep breathing for 3 to 4 minutes, Tadasana followed by 6 to 8 rounds of Surya Namaskar for 8 to 10 minutes, simple spinal twist, and final relaxation in Shavasana for 3 to 5 minutes. And just in case if we have got time for say 40 minutes or 50 minutes or say 1 hour, we can add Bhramari and Bhastrika pranayams, some asanas like Sarvangasana followed by Halasana and Matsyasana. The beginners can do Vipreet Karni. Then Paschimottanasana and Purvottanasana. The backward bends Bhujangasana and Dhanurasana. Half spinal twist Ardha Matsyendrasana and sideward bend Trikonasana. And after the final relaxation in Shavasana, we can sit quietly in Sukhasana. Spine straight, gently close your eyes and just focus, just concentrate on one spot, one thought or one activity. It could be breathing for 5 to 10 minutes. Practice it daily, slowly and gradually. By and by, this will lead you to meditation, bliss. One more thing, before practicing all these asanas, shatkriyas, relaxation, and particularly pranayams, please learn these from a trained and certified yoga teacher, Yoga Acharya. So this was second step. Next week, we will discuss the third step, which is extremely effective, yet very, very simple. But somehow, this has not been popularized much. So see you next Sunday. Thank you. Namaste. Hari Om. Tat Sat.